To remove the radio or access, remove these three buttons. We need to remove this whole panel here, around here. So we're going to have a screw under this, and we're going to remove this knob first, then remove the screw, and after that we can just pry this whole thing out. Of course, the cable connections behind this radio, behind these three buttons, and we're going to unplug them. Then we can remove this whole unit as a whole, and after that we'll be able to remove the radio, remove any of the three buttons. To remove this heater control knob, I used this kind of a plastic knife and just pry it out. Then we can pull it out. And after that, you can see there is a screw over here. So we're going to remove this screw in order to remove this trip panel. After this screw removed, we can now remove this trim cover with radio and the buttons. We just pry it out using some kind of a plastic tool. Now I have just used this plastic knife and the two hand to make it loose all around. So now we can withdraw the panel complete with radio and the buttons. So now I have pulled the panel out. We can have a look at the connections. This is the radio, and we have connectors for the speakers and power supply. And here is the aerial. So we can remove this connector and that connector, that's for radio. And also at the bottom, we can see the connectors there for the buttons. So we can remove all of them. So now we have this trim panel together with the radio and the buttons removed. You can see this is a three different color, so the plug also different color you can see here, so you won't mix them up. And for the radio, you can see there's two sockets over there, and if you look at the plug, so you can see for each plug there is a tab over here. You can push them that way forward, push them forward and pull the plug out. And for the radio, so you can see there is a tab over here on the side. So you just press this side tab inward and then pull the plug. These two plugs are the same. You can see that structure. So there's a catch to catch inside the socket. This side tab will catch inside the socket. So when you pull it out, just press this side tab inward and pull the plug.